Problem number 4. A milk seller has a milk of rupees 100 per liter. In what ratio should water be mixed in that milk so that after selling the mixture for rupees 80 per liter, he get a profit of 50%. See here, the selling price is 80, not the cost price, and he is getting 50% profit. And what are the data they have given? A2, that is 100. Do you know A1? Yes, A1 means water price, that is 0, and A you have to calculate, and you have to identify N1 by N2. So, to calculate N1 by N2, you should know A. Then how to calculate A? A means cost price, but 80 rupees is the selling price. Selling price is 80 and profit is 50%. Remember the concept profit and loss. Based on that, you calculate cost price. See here, cost price means how much you are going to take? 100% cost price plus profit 50% cost price is equal to 80. So, 100 plus 50, 150% by cost price is equal to 80. 0, 0 cancels. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, cost price is equal to 80 into 2 divided by 3. So, which is equal to 160 by 3, which is equal to 160 by 3. So, the cost price what you got is 160 by 3. Next, N1 by N2, N1 by N2 is equal to A2 means 100 minus A, that is 160 by 3 whole divided by 160 by 3 minus 0, 160 by 3 minus 0. So, N1 by N2 is equal to 300 minus 160 by 3 whole divided by again 160 minus 0 divided by 3. So, 3 got cancels, which is equal to 300 minus 160 is how much? 160, 260. So, 140 you are going to get divided by 160. So, after simplification, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, you are going to get 7:8. You are going to get 7:8. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Let us move on to the next problem, problem number 5. See here, a trader has 50 kg of pulses, part of which he sells at 8% profit and rest at 18% profit. Okay, he gains 14% on the whole. So, what is the quantity sold at 18%? See here, 18% is the higher percentage. So, A2 is 18. Next, 8% is the lower percentage, therefore, A1 is 8. Then, capital letter A is 14. So, now N1 by N2. So, N1 represents A1, N2 represents A2. So, is equal to A2 minus A by A minus A1. So, which is equal to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3, that is 2:3. Okay, but what they are telling? They are asking us to calculate the quantity sold for 18%, that is for this one. Okay, so see here 2:3. So, you have to divide 50 kgs in the ratio 2:3. So, 2 plus 3, 5 into 3. So, 5 tens are 50, 10 into 3, 30. So, the answer is 30 kg. Option A is the right answer. Answer is 30 kg. Option A is the right answer. Okay, one step ahead. Very simple to calculate. Okay, let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 6. See here, a merchant has 2000 kg of rice, part of which he sells at 36% profit and the rest at 16% profit. He gains 28% on the whole. Find the quantity sold at 16%. Okay, you have to calculate the quantity sold at 16%. See here again, A2 is 36, A1 is 16, then A is equal to 28. A1 means N1 is related to A1, N2 is related to A2. So, now you have to calculate. Find the quantity sold at 16%. So, 16% you have to calculate. Therefore, N1 by N2 is equal to A2 minus A by A minus A1. So, A2 means how much? 36 minus 28 divided by 28 minus 16. So, how much you are going to get? 8 by 12, that is 2 by 3. So, 2000 kgs has to be divided in the ratio 2:3. So 2 represents N1 and 3 represents N2. So 2 plus 3, 5 into 2. So how much you are going to get? 5 4s are 20, 40 into 2, 80. So you are going to get 800 kgs. Very similar to the previous problem. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 7. 600 gram of sugar solution has 40% sugar in it. How much sugar should be added to make it 50% in the solution? See, we cannot go with the previous formula what we have used. Okay, directly you go through the concept. 600 gram of sugar, 40% sugar in it means 40% of 600, that is 240. That is 240. So now 240 divided by 600, that is the present condition. But what they are asking, how much sugar should be added? If you add sugar, consider the adding of sugar as x. So if you add sugar, in the total quantity also it increases. After increasing, it has to become 50%, that is 1 by 2. 50% means 1 by 2. So cross multiplication. So 240 into 2, 480 plus 2x is equal to 600 plus x. Therefore, x is equal to 600 minus 480, which is equal to 120, which is equal to 120. So option B is the right answer. Okay, so 240 is the present sugar, 240 by 600, that is the present condition, plus x is equal to 50%, that is half. So after simplification, you used to get 120. Therefore B is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 8. See here, a butler stole wine from a butt of sherry which contains 80% of spirit, and he replaced it by wine containing 32% spirit. Then the butt of 48% strength only. Then the butt was of 48% strength only. How much of the butt did he steal? How much of the butt did he steal? Very simple. See here, 80% represents A2. Next, A1 represents 32. A1 represents 32. So A2, that is N2. Next, A1, that is N1. So now how much it is? That is only 48%. Only 48%. Therefore, N1 by N2 is equal to 80 minus 48 by 48 minus 32. So 80 minus 48, how much you are going to get? 32 you are going to get. Okay, 32 you are going to get, divided by 48 minus 32, how much you are going to get? 16. So 16 2s are 32, 16 1s are. Therefore N1 is to N2 is 2 is to 1. Means what is the total quantity? 2 plus 1, 3, means 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So N1 is to N2, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So N1 means after mixing, after replacing, what you are getting is N1. So 2 by 3 they have replaced, 2 by 3 they have replaced, 1 by 3 is remaining, 1 by 3 is remaining. Okay, very simple. 2 plus 1, 3. So therefore 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Initially it was 2 by 3, now it is 1 by 3. Okay, therefore 2 by 3 is replaced. 2 by 3 is replaced. Always the first part is replaced and the second part is the remaining part. Okay, so 2 by 3 is the replaced one. Okay, fine. So this was a typical problem. Very rarely these problems were asked in your PO exam. Clerical, nowhere they are going to ask, but you should not take risk. You should be good in each and every type of problem. Because of that reason we have discussed these type of problems. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Problem number 9. A and B are two alloys of gold and copper prepared by mixing metals in the ratio of 7:2 and 7:11 respectively. If equal quantities of alloys are melted to form a third alloy of C, the ratio of gold and copper in C will be. So don't get panic. Very simple problem. See here, gold and copper prepared by mixing the metals in the ratio 7:2 for A. 7:2 for A. Next for B it is 7:11. So the first one represents gold, second one represents copper, gold and copper. So what is the total part? That is 7 plus 2, that is 9, means 7 by 9 represents gold, that is for A. Next 2 by 9 represents copper, that is for A. Like that you calculate for B. See here, for B if you calculate 7 plus 11, which is equal to 18. Therefore 7 by 18 represents gold, that is for B. Next 11 by 18 that represents copper for B. Now in the question what they are telling, if equal quantities of alloys are melted to form a third alloy C, the ratio of gold and copper, means gold and gold you have to add, copper and copper you have to add. So gold and gold means 7 by 9 plus 7 by 18, ratio of 2 by 9 plus 11 by 18. So how much you are going to get? 7 by 9 plus 7 by 18, 18 is the LCM, 9 2s are 18, 2 7s are 14 plus 7. Next here ratio, again 18 is the LCM, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4 plus 11. So which is equal to 21 by 18 whole divided by 15 by 18. So 18 got cancels. So 21 by 15. So how much you are going to get? 3 7s are 50, 21, 3 5s are 15. Ultimate answer is 7:5. So what we did? We added gold of A and B, and we added copper of A and copper of B. Only that thing we did, we got the new ratio, that is 7:5. So your answer is C, that is 7:5. Your answer is C, that is 7:5. So very simple. Okay, we have solved most varieties of the problems what can come in your bank exams, that too especially in PO and SO. In clerical, very rare case it is going to come, but in the PO level and SO level definitely it is going to come. Okay, so alligations and mixture, or mixture and alligations, we have solved the variety of problems. If you are smart enough to solve these varieties of problems, then definitely whatever the problems they are going to give in the exam, you can able to clear. Okay, so alligations and mixtures, 9 problems we have solved. Most of the varieties we have covered which may appear for your bank exams. Okay, solve more number of problems in our website, go through the worked examples, go through the study materials, solve the level of difficulty of 1 and 2, take mock test, take the subject wise mock text, then definitely you can able to solve many problems related to alligations and mixture. So only thing is you should able to learn the formula N1 by N2 is equal to A2 minus A by A minus A1, and you should know what are the meaning of those notations. A2 means higher price, A1 means lower price. After mixing both the two, you are going to get the capital letter A. So these things you should learn, and it should be in the tip of your tongue. Then only you can able to solve the problems related to alligations and mixture. Thank you.